What's going on, guys? It is time for an update. What's going on, guys? Let me start by saying I have no idea where we're at in this video series. I don't know where the last video is going to leave off. I'm not sure where this video is picking up at, but just to kind of give you an update, some things that I know have changed between then. We got the engine and transmission both in the car now. I tried putting the transmission in without removing the engine. It's doable, however, it's really not worth it. On an E46 BMW, it's way too easy to just pull the entire front end off and pull the engine and trans in and out as a single unit. LS, it's on the stand. By the time this video is out, you guys should have a video of the rotating assembly being finished up on that. I'll probably even get the oil pan thrown on there and see some of the modifications we had to make for it to work with the longer stroke. Speaking of oil pans and tightening up the bottom end, that's kind of the whole point of this video today. We still have the lower pan that we need to do. Before we do the lower pan though, there's a few things I want to replace. I did get a new OEM Toyota pickup tube, or the oil strainer, whatever you call it. I don't really have a reason for replacing this other than the old one is, one, old and it looked a little bit dirty, and three, I had the money to buy a new one, so why not put new parts in. And plus I'll be able to pull this over to whatever GTE motor I get. A couple bolts because I was missing a bolt before, and when it's time to put stuff back together, I'm always missing bolts, so I ordered some extra. And then finally, of course, a new gasket. So that'll be what we do to throw the oil pan back on. Also, I got a new catch can that we're gonna put in. For now, let's hop on getting this oil tube, or the pickup tube, in.
All right, well, I know lighting's been an issue in the past, so I've been out and bought it. It's like a small little spotlight. Hopefully that helps. I'm gonna try to do this underneath the car. See if I can get this on here first. I know you guys probably aren't seeing any of this, but I'm kind of just feeling around. And wow, that actually, so both of those went on pretty easy. I didn't have to feel around too much, which is a huge surprise. So that, I'm sure, was the easy part. Now it's time to get a 10 mil and probably some joints, and see if we can't slap that on.
All right, well, oil pan is in. We got it to clear. Not that we couldn't get it to clear before. I got a new magnetic drain plug from Mishimoto. So shout out to them. Of course, sponsored by them. So it's always good to use their stuff. Trans is in. Gotta fix this leak. Just gotta seal that up a little bit. Gotta replace our Chase Bay's clutch line. I've already got the new one. Probably didn't even need to replace it, but I don't like the way it's twisted and kinked, so we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Now we gotta move on to putting our drive shaft up. Now we're gonna take our drive shaft and we're gonna mount it up to our Drift HQ adapter for the BMW. Fits all the E46 transmission types, or at least the manual transmission types, to include the M3 one, which is what we have. So I'm gonna set the camera down, try to knock that out.
Alright, well, so next up we'll just I'll either try to get it from up top, or if I can't, I'll just put the car down, roll it forward a little bit, or lift the back end up, let it rotate the wheels. So it's really just putting in bolts, and you guys know how to do that.